everyone! In this video, I am guiding yoga under guidance of Dr. Maka for lower back exercises which help sciatica ankylosing spondylitis, also called Hla B27, helps to reduce inflammation and stiffness of spine. To begin with, lay on your back. Ensure that your shoulders and hips grounded with no space in between your lumbar curve. Inhale, bend your knees and bring your knees towards your chest. Interlace your fingertips and draw the knees closer towards your chest as you exhale. Keep your lower back grounded. Gently roll your hips side to side, massaging your lower back. Relax your neck and facial muscles. Using your two-piece fingers, hook onto your big toes. Inhale, lift your right leg. If you're not able to straighten your knee, that's okay. Keep it slightly bent instead. Exhale and switch legs. Keep repeating this for a few times. This movement will help to decompress your sciatica nerve. Bring your knees back to your chest and gently roll side to side. This time, bring your right leg and bend the knee into a figure 4 over the opposite thigh. Flex both feet, interlace your fingers behind the left hamstrings. Inhale here, and as you exhale, draw the front leg closer to your chest in your piriformis stretch. If you find yourself comfortable, you could also straighten the left leg. You could also move your hips side to side to release any tension on your lower back. Exhale, release, and switch sides. Flex both feet. Interlace your fingers behind the right hamstring. Inhale here, and as you exhale, draw the front leg closer towards your chest. Slowly roll your hips side to side. Release and bring yourself to a prone position. Come into a Sphinx pose. Keep your elbows under your shoulders, open your chest, lengthen your spine and push your toes down to the ground. Preparing yourself for a pose in Shalabasana. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your hands and legs forward before lifting yourself up. Interlace your fingertips to the back. Roll your shoulder back. Open your chest and lift. Breathe in. Lift your right leg up. Tuck your tailbone and keep on breathing. Exhale, put back the right foot down. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Point your toes and keep your core engaged. Exhale, release. Turn your body to the left side, keeping the shoulder, hip, ankle and toes in one alignment. Lift your right knee to the upwards and try to keep the knee up high and stay in the stretch. Exhale, release. Switch side. This time, turn your body to the right side, keeping the shoulder, hip, ankle and toes in one alignment. Lift your left knee to the upwards and try to keep the knee up high and stay in the stretch. Gently release and come into hero pose. Keep your hip neutral, spine long, and sitting bones grounded. Be mindful of your knees here. Bring yourself into a Dandasana staff pose. Keep your sitting bones grounded. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Reach your hands into prayer pose. Inhale, bring your arms into cactus arm. Lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gentle twist to your right and your left side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Place your fingertips onto the ground towards your right side. Bend your elbows, and as you exhale, stretch downwards here. You can try and deepen the stretch if it feels okay with you. Inhale, lift and switch side. Cactus arms and twist towards your left. Put your fingertips on the floor. Bend your elbows and stretch here. To deepen the stretch, you can move and stretch closer towards the ground. Lift yourself up and let's get into a variation of twists with the extended leg. Bend your right knee and extend your left leg. Flex your left foot. Put your left hand behind your hip and extend your right arm over your right knee and spread your fingertips wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gentle twist. Release. Switch sides. This time bend your left knee and extend your right leg. Flex your right foot. Put your right hand behind your hip and extend your left arm over your left knee. Spread your fingertips wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gentle twist. Remember to keep your sitting bones grounded. Slowly release. Bring yourself into a variation of Bandha konasana or bound ankle pose like this. Take your heels further forward and keep your sitting bones grounded and more space for you to lengthen your spine. Inhale, bring your arms to cactus arm and twist to your right. And then to your left. Keep your heels closer to your hip and transition into full Bandha konasana. Keep the thighs and shin externally rotated to protect your knee joint. Keep your spine long and open your chest. Relax and depress your shoulders down. Stay with your breath. Slow, deep breath. Before we end the session, take yourself to a child pose with both knees together. Inhale, lengthen your spine and exhale. Melt your chest towards your thighs and your forehead on the ground. Try to keep your hip on your heels, palms down on the floor. Slow, deep breath here and try to relax and stretch. Child pose helps relieve sciatica pain and helps relax your entire body while promoting flexibility and openness in the lower back, hips, and thighs. Inhale, lift yourself back, and now this time into a wide knee child pose. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, reach your fingertips forward. Inhale, lift, and reach towards your right side. Exhale, melt to the floor. Inhale, lift, and exhale, reach towards your left and bow down. Press the fingertips on the floor. Bring back your fingertips to center. Round your upper back as you head back towards hero pose. Keep your sitting bones grounded and torso tall. Press your palms to chest center and stay here in slow, deep breath. Keep your breath slow, deep, and steady. Relax your facial muscle here. Release and get into a comfortable, easy seated pose. Thank you for joining the session today and hope to see you in the next session. Take care, everyone.